Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Redmi Mi 9 Lite, and in this video I am going to show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to obviously open our gallery, and next we have to choose the photo that we want to hide. For example, this one. So now we have to hold on this photo, and as you can see at the left of the bottom we have add to album option that we have to click on, and right here we have private album that we have to click on. Now we have to click OK, and as you can see right here we have to configure our private album, and to do this we have to sign in with our My account. So when you do this, you're gonna hide your photos in gallery. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.